now we have discussed the divisibility test of 2 and 3. Now let us solve a few problems based on the divisibility test of 2 and 3. First question, I will read out the question. Find the least digit that should be placed in the place of star in the number 3, 5, star, 1, 2, so that the number is completely divisible by 3. See, divisibility test of 3 is asking. What is asking? Find the least digit. See, in this place you should place a least digit that should be placed in the star in the number 3, 5, star, 1, 2, so that this number is exactly divisible by 2. See, this is question number 3 in your exercise. 1 and 2, you have to do it yourself. Okay. See, the divisibility test of 3 is, you should add all the digits. Let me add the digits. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 1, you take it, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. So, 11. See, 11. See, to make it divisible by 3, it should be 12. So, you should add 1, then it will become 12. So, in this place, you have to put 1. So, now let us check it. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So, this number is divisible by 3 if you put 0. If you put, 1. If you put 1, it is divisible by. If the least digit is 0, if you put 0, then again it is not divisible because the sum will become 11. So if you have to put 1 so that the sum will become 12, then the number will be divisible by 3. Now let us discuss the fourth problem. Find the least digit that should be added to 64,217 so that resulting number is completely divisible by 2. So, when you look at the units place, 7 is there. The least digit you should take is 1. If you take 0, again it will be add number only. If you take 1, see add 1, then the resulting number it will become 8 in the units place. Remaining all digits will be same. The resulting number is 264,280. Now it is exactly divisible by 2. Let us pass on to the question number 5. What should be in the place of star so that it is divisible by 3 in the number? 6,901 means tens place is there. In the units place, what should become so that this number is divisible by 3? See, now we add this one. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 6, 16 is the sum of these 3 digits. So you should add something so that it should be divisible by 3. 16 doesn't come in the 3 table. 3 5s are 15 will come. 3 6s are 18 will come. Now 16 should be made 18. So to make it 18, how much should be added? 2. Very good. 2 should be added. So in the stars place, you should put 2. So the number will become 6,912. That number is exactly divisible by 3. Now let us pass on to the question number 6. Which is the greatest digit in the place of star? Now greatest digit is asked. 3, star, 6, 3, 5, 0, 4. See, this is a big number. Make it completely divisible by 3. Once again, I will read the problem. Which is the greatest digit in the place of star in 3, star, 6, 3, 5, 0, 4. Make it completely divisible by 3. So, we shall use the divisibility test of 3. Let us add the digits. 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. You leave it because 12 is divisible by 3. So you can leave this sum. You can leave this sum. Start from here. 6. 6 plus 3, 9. So 12 plus 9, 21. And 2 plus 1, 3. So till up to here, it is divisible by 3 only. It is divisible. So in the place of star, you should put a greatest digit so that it should be divisible by 3. So the greatest digit will be 9. If you take 9, then it will be exactly divisible by 3. So now you can check it. Say 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 9, 27. 27 plus 3, 30. 30 is divisible by 3. You can again add it. 3 plus 0, 3. It is divisible by 3. See, when such big numbers are asked, when you add a few digits, you will get a sum which is divisible. Then you can leave those. Then you can continue. Like that you can do it. Now let us pass on to question number 7. How much minimum should be subtracted from? Now you should subtract something from 35,267 to make it divisible by 2. So, divisibility test of 2. This is the odd number. This is an odd number. 7 is there. So, how much minimum you have to subtract? Minimum means you can go with 0. If you go with 0, no difference. So, how much should be subtracted to make it an even number?
Sir, minus 1.
Very
Sir, minus 1. Minus 1.
35,266. Now it will become even number. It is exactly divisible by 2. Now let us discuss question number 8. See, in question number 8, how much minimum should be added to 65,077 to make it divisible by 3? So you should make it divisible by 3. Let us check it. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 18 plus 7, it is 25. The sum is 25. Now, this 25 is not divisible by 3. Since the sum is 25, the number is not divisible by 3. You should add minimum. See, if you add 0, no difference. If you add 1, it will become 8. The sum will become 26. Again, it is not divisible. If you add 2, try with 2. So, here it will become 9. So, this will become 27. When it becomes 27, it is divisible by 3. Now, let us check it. We are going to add 2 to this number. The new number will become 65,079. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 8, 11 plus 7, 18. 18 plus 9, 27. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9, which is divisible by 3. So, you should add minimum 2 so that number is completely divisible by 3. And one more last question. Let us discuss question number 9. How much minimum should be subtracted from 10,805 to make it completely divisible by 3? So let us add 0 plus 1, 1. 8, 1 plus 8, 9. Sorry, 9. 9 plus 5, how much? 14. Now the sum is 14. The sum should become 12 in order to make it divisible by 3. So to make it 12, 2 should be subtracted. So when you subtract 2, 5 minus 2, it will be 3, 0, 8, 0, 1. Now you add it. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. Now it is exactly divisible by 3. So the minimum that should be subtracted from this number is 2 to make it divisible by 3. See, dear students, till now we have discussed a few problems based on the divisibility test of 2 and 3. Thank you for participating in the lesson.